Alright guys, so we are here with Nadula hair. I'm going to quickly go ahead and unbox her, and then I'll give you guys the details of the unit. Alright guys, so this is the hair straight out the packaging. I do have their straight short bob wig. This is a lace frontal wig. She is 150% in density. This unit comes pre-plucked and also comes with a part. I forgot to show underneath of the wig the construction, but I believe there's 2 combs and a pair of drawstrings. And she is the texture of Brazilian, and the length is 14 inches. So this is the hairline. Like I said, it does come pre-plucked. So if you guys struggle or don't like plucking your units, sis, they got us. I do personally go in and extend the hairline back because, you know, I'm just a little extra, but that's not needed at all. But if you don't, this is what your hairline will look like. So this is just a clip of what the unit looks like straight, because I don't keep the unit straight. I do at curls. But this is what she's looking like when I put it on my head for the first time. She has not been washed or conditioned. This is straight out of the box. If you guys see the hair blowing all over the place, I do have my little fan directly on me because I just like air and it's hot. But anyway, this is the overall length of the unit. She's 14 inches and she has a lot of body and bounce. And, oops, I dropped my phone, luster and shine. So now we're going in with our Kira Care, and we're going to go ahead and make sure the roots are very, very flat. Like I said, this step is optional if you guys like a little volume on the top, you know, towards the top portion of your unit, the root area. I don't, so I love it to be flat. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my hot comb to flatten it out. I did spray some 𝚘 heating protectant on it as well, because you know we gotta protect these frontals, y'all. We gotta protect them. So that's what we're gonna do, y'all. I do like to go and part the sections towards the top to make sure it's super, super duper flat, and add wax too, because it just makes it lay down so perfectly. Now I'm just going in with a pair of scissors to cut off the excess of the lace. I try to cut as closest to the hairline as I can because I feel like it just makes it easier to blend into my forehead when I don't have all that extra lace just laying there. But like I said, it's up to you. It's your personal preference. I am cutting jagged edges so it won't be boxy or straight and just look like it's not a wig. We don't want it to look like a wig, y'all. We do not. That is not the goal. Okay, the goal is to make it not look like a wig. I hope I said that right. I hope I said that right. But anyway, I'm trying a new method when cutting off the ear section. I'm just taking a part and then I'm cutting directly on that part around my ear so it can fit nice and snug, because normally I'd be cutting any old kind of way trying to get that, you know, around my ear, and it'd be like choppy and it was just not cute. But this way, when you make a part first, sis, I'm telling you, around your ear is gonna be flawless and it's gonna fit perfectly. Now I'm just adding a little bit of my foundation. It's the shade of my contour shade, and I'm just putting on the, you know, top of the lace so it can blend more seamlessly. And now I'm just gonna go in and secure it down with my got2b glue Insta High. Is it Insta High Hold Spray? Yeah, I think. Y'all, this stuff is so freaking good when it comes down to laying down your lace. I believe it's stronger than the yellow bottle, but you know, I go back and forth. It depends on what type of hold you're going for. This one does take a little bit of time to dry, so that's why I say you got to be not in a rush, because if you're in a rush, don't use it. Use the yellow formula. But once it's tacky, go ahead and stick it down. Use the tail end of your comb just to lay everything down, and you're just going to repeat that process throughout your whole entire hair. Also, make sure you're using cool heat. Cool heat will not have your hairline looking a little flaky and dry and ashy and crusty. So just make sure you're using cool heat as well. Alright guys, so this is what the hairline is looking like after I secure it all the way down. I'm just adding more foundation so it can blend in seamlessly. But next is going to jump right to the baby hairs because I do that off camera, one side anyway. I'm just going to go ahead and take my scissors again, cut at an angle, and create my baby hairs. Like I said, baby hairs is optional. It depends on, you know, your mood or what you like. With my baby hair, I always use foam wrap lotion, and I mix some of the got2b glue spray together. It's just a nice hold. It doesn't make it look like it's like hard and, you know, just glued to your head. It just gives it a more of a natural feel. That's why I mixed the two together. So yeah. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to go ahead and take my flat iron, and I'm just going to go ahead and create some back curls, and I'm just going to pin each section up with the clip until I'm all finished. I just felt like this unit would be so cute with some curls. It was just the density, just how it felt. I just knew it would hold a curl, and my curls were in all day. I actually made a few runs after this portion of the video. When I came back, my curls were still in. Of course they dropped some, but y'all, I love a straight hair unit that can definitely hold a curl. That is what I'm here for. So yeah. Alright guys, so overall I enjoyed working with this unit, y'all. I absolutely have no complaints. I love bobs. Bobs are a easy go-to look. You can look cute very quickly. It's very low maintenance. That's what I love about bobs too, especially now this summertime. It's not hot, okay? I love units that I can breeze through and, you know, bomb. I love that they provided us with a part. Like, they came through in the clutch with a part, and it made the install even easier. You can, you know, part it on the side if you like. You can change it if you like, but they already gave us a part, and they did pre-pluck it. Like I said, I did extend the hairline just a little bit, but overall this is how the hair came. I have no cons whatsoever with this. I didn't have any problems with it shedding like dramatically. I did get shedding, of course all units will shed, and I probably got a few tangles here and there. It wasn't like, oh my gosh, it's tangling, it's blowing the wind, it's tangling. No, like I said, throughout this whole process, I got a few tangles. So this is some bomb hair, and y'all, it's a must-have unit in your book if you love bobs. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. All information in regards to this unit will be listed down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.